Oh, hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a second account on Instagram in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. First, log into your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged in into your main account. Now look at the bottom left corner over here, tap more, then go to settings. Okay? Inside settings, tap over here. Then you can now easily choose to log in or add accounts on this section. Okay. Then add another Instagram account. You will be redirected to another page where you need to enter the credentials. Once you have successfully went through the process, you should now be able to see this on your screen. Just click on continue. Yes. Finish adding. It might take a few seconds to finish this process. And then there you go. We have now successfully added a second account into your main Instagram profile. I hope you found this video very helpful.